Connie Ferguson auctioned her difficult grandson for R25000 on OLX. Connie Ferguson is a successful actress and entrepreneur, however it is evident that the one role she doesn't slack in is being a mom and more recently a grandmother. But with this young grandson whose mother passed on a year ago, Connie announced publicly on a radio interview that she is sick and tired of his behavior because the boy always do some crazy shocking things, which most of them are related to witchcraft. You can see in the picture above where the boy was offered a danone to eat and he decided to paint his whole body with it. During an interview with Mzansi Stories media house, Connie said that even though she's been close to both her daughters when Lesedi fell pregnant, they grew even closer, but now enough is enough. Sometimes I'm grandma. But whatever he calls me, it is with pure unadulterated love. Oh, what a blessing Ronua is in our home. I love him so much, but I don't want him anymore for making me get sick and tired of getting sick and tired. That is why I'm giving him away on special, and the price can be reduced if we negotiate, because I just want him to go out of my life. We thank God for our children, our children's children, for family, she said on Instagram about her grandson. Now she is happy giving him away because she had enough of his child who always give her stress and headache. The ad she posted on OLX will expire after 7 days. Keep checking for more details.